Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a parrot on Dress to Impress. So color your skin tone red. You don't need this like contour on custom makeup, but if you have it, that's great. Just put it on. If you don't have it, that is totally fine. You don't need it, and you don't need VIP for this, so that's a plus. You're going to get this, and you're going to color it the color of your beak. You can color it any color bird you want. Also use this one and then toggle to the third one and color it again for the beak. You're going to use this and you're going to color it black for the eyes. Unfortunately, the pattern doesn't work anymore, so it doesn't look exactly like eyes, but it's better than nothing. I'm also going to color this red. What's color? Okay, and you're going to use these hairs to fill in the rest. I'm also going to color it red. Again, you can color it to any color that you want. Gonna use this one. Then we're also going to use this hair. Then this one with no bangs. And then that's it for the hair. I'm also just gonna color the nails red, the same. Okay, so I'm going to go here and we're going to select the skirt and I'm going to color it red. And then we're going to use the like fuzzy jacket coat. I don't know what it's called. And you can use any boots that you like. Make sure you color it like an orange as well here. Just gonna color it all orange like that. And then I am going to add this skirt. I think I'm gonna color it like a yellow and blue for a parrot. You'll see later how it's gonna work. It doesn't look like it now. Okay, like that maybe. Then we're also going to need this one. Turn off the layer and color that red as well. Okay, what else do we need from here? I don't think there's anything left from there. So we're going to go here to the cupcake outfit. We're going to select it and we're going to color that red as well. Oops, forgot one sprinkle there. Just left one there. Then you're going to need these flowers and I'm going to color them yellow. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to color this one green instead of yellow. Sorry, that was my bad completely. And then I'm going to color the flowers a yellow. It's going to make it a little bit warmer though. And I'm just going to make all of it yellow. Okay. I might change these shoes, but I don't know, I'll just leave it for now. Then I'm going to grab the pumpkin for like more texture and I'm going to color it red, like so. And then you're going to want to use the villain pose from the K-pop pose pack. And there you have it, a parrot on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to oh, I forgot one thing. I'm sorry, I forgot the scarf. It's to cover the neck, so my bad. Okay, there we go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!